can see what you do to me. Say the girl is way too bougie, bougie. Pouring those bubbles into your jacuzzi. Beauty, I come running when you call in the mood. Cause the peaches are so juicy, juicy. Drop anything for the one taste of sushi. Beauty, Ciao Bella, I don't wanna keep it down, Bella. Say when you be coming round, tell me how does that sound? Hey la 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 la. If we talking honestly, you're the only one I need. Think about you on repeat. Bella, 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 savage beast, bringing out the wrong in me. Girl, I want you on repeat. Bella, 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 I swear I'm just trying to live my best life, but your love is a ghost in the moonlight. Memories of your body haunting me like every night. Ciao Bella, I don't wanna keep it down, Bella. Say when you be coming round, tell me how does that sound? Hey la 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 la. If we talking honestly, you're the only one I need. Think about you on repeat. Bella, 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 savage beast, bringing out the wrong in me. Girl, I want you on repeat. Bella, 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 cause I want you like panda, want bamboo. My mantra stay on you. Bella, 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 Bella. I lose it soon as you get close. When you go, I'm chasing smoke. This ain't no joke. Bella, la 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 la. If we talking honestly, you're the only one I need. Think about you on repeat. Bella, 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 oh, so Bella. Bella, 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 savage beast, bringing out the wrong in me. Girl, I want you on repeat. Bella, 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 Bella.
This dance is called Samba Bella. It's a 40 counts, 4-wall, phrased intermediate level line dance. The sequence of the dance is A, B, A, B, short A, which has 16 counts. B, A, B, A, short A, which has 16 counts. Tag, which has 4 counts. B, B. Part A has 32 counts, part B has 16 counts. Let me first walk through the steps for part A. Weight is on the left foot. Point, touch, close. Point right toe to right side. Touch right toe beside the left. Close right foot next to left. Point, hold, close. Point left toe to left side. Hold for 1 count. Close left foot next to right. Right, forward press. Heel swivel. Press right toe forward. Twist right heel to the right. Back to center. Body roll. Over 2 count. Body roll. Recover weight to left. Section 2. Right sachet on right, left, right. Make a quarter left turn facing 9. Left sachet on left, right, left. Quarter left turn facing 6. Sway hips, right, left, right, left. Section 3. Right and left syncopated forward rock. Press right toe forward and hip roll clockwise, recover weight to left. Step together on right. Press left forward and hip roll counterclockwise, recover weight to right. Left and right, Bata Kuda. step back left, press right forward, hip roll clockwise. Step back right, touch left forward, hip roll counterclockwise. Step back left, right, hip roll, back, right, left, hip roll. This is the option for the Batakuda steps. Step back left, touch right forward, back right, touch left toe forward, back left, touch right toe forward, back right, touch left toe forward. Section 4. Step 4 of left next to right, forward, right, left. 4 lock steps with 4 of right and left. Step of right, forward, lock step of left, behind right, forward right, forward left. Half Samba diamond. Cross step right, make a 1/8 right turn, stepping left to left side, facing 730. Step back right, hitch left, behind. 1/8 right turn, stepping right to right side, square up to 9 o'clock, cross step left. Let's do the counts for part A. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now for part B, 16 counts, facing 9 o'clock. Right, Samba whisk. Step right to right side. Rock, step above left, recover to right. Left, quarter jacka. Rock, left heel forward to left diagonal. Recover to right. Rock, step above left, recover to right. Left, Samba whisk. Step left to left side. Rock, step above right behind, recover to right. Right, quarter jacka. Right heel, rock forward to right diagonal, recover to left. Rock back above right, recover to left. Section 2. Right, Samba whisk. Side, rock back, recover. Left, quarter jacka. Rock forward heel, recover. Rock back or recover. Full turn volta step. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Let's do the counts. Part B. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The 4 count tag is to walk diagonally out to right, diagonally out to left, back right to center, back left next to right. It's a 4 count tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it with shoulder shimmies. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll be doing this tag after the second short A. And you'll be facing 12 to do this 4 count tag.